Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add your card to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then simply look for the plus icon in the top right corner of the Wallet app and tap on it. Then this will initiate the process of adding a card. Now select the type of card you want to add. You can add various types of card including credit cards, debit cards, transit cards, loyalty cards and more. After you select the type of card you want to add, you will be prompted to scan your card using your iPhone's camera or enter the card details manually. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Depending on the card issuer, you may need to verify your card by your card number and name. Once your card is successfully added, you will receive a confirmation message and your card will be available for use in Apple Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.